Customer was telling me that the other day the unit wouldn't stop like working, it just kept going and going, and that it was like that but it was running for 6 days straight. Checking right here, but I don't see any stripped wires, loose connections, or shorted wires. Everything looks fine, but we have a 24-volt wire right here that's always hot. And that one goes to the outer unit. So I'm guessing we're gonna have an issue with the wires outside. I think the wire is gonna be stripped off from the roof, so we're gonna get up there and that's what we find. So yeah, the customer was telling me that the unit was like running for 6 days. It didn't shut off at all, but at some point the unit just turned off and it started working like properly. It stopped tugging up, so we called this through a home warranty company. So initially they sent a different company to check the unit, but the guy showed up and they told the customer that they don't work on this Carrier Infinity systems, so they couldn't do anything, and that's why we're here. So like I was saying before, that I thought the wires would be stripped. They actually are. So I don't know if you can see right here, but they're all stripped. So like I said, there's a red wire that has power like all the time, because there's a control board inside the condenser unit. So since the wires are all stripped, I'm guessing it was making contact with the yellow wire, so the unit wouldn't turn off because of that. So we're gonna be replacing the wire, and I'm pretty sure that's gonna be fixing the issue. Alright, so we changed the wire right here, put some new insulation on the pipe, and this is what I was telling you. You can see all the wires are stripped. If I keep removing this thing, it's probably gonna be even worse. I hope you can see it, but they're all stripped. So they just wrapped the wires, but they didn't fix anything. I actually think that they only made it worse, because they wrapped them all like together, so for sure they were like touching each other. So I'm pretty sure the 24-volt wire that goes into the condenser unit was making contact with the yellow, which is the cooling one, and the 24-volt from the yellow one right here was getting to the control board, so it was turning on the AC, so that's why it wasn't shutting off. I'm pretty sure that's gonna fix the issue. Like I said, the unit was running for 6 days. It wouldn't stop at all. Customer was telling me that it was like 62 degrees inside the household. Yep, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.